When you master your state of being, you master life, because you will be able to achieve anything you put your mind to, even things that you never imagined possible when you're in the right state of being. So this video, I'm going to share with you why that's true and how you can start mastering your state of being right now super fast. So the reason this is true is because your state of being is what determines the way you feel, your emotions, your feelings about the world. So think about it. When you feel happy, joyful, peaceful, when you feel love, these are elevated states of being. When you feel empowered, these are empowered states of being. And these states of being feel good. They feel strong. They feel like you're in alignment with the frequency of life. And these elevated frequencies, because remember, everything is energy, frequency, and vibration, help you to align with source. So when you're in these states of being, you are actually more in alignment with source, which means you're in flow, which means you are more capable of creating whatever it is your heart desires. This also impacts your ability to take action and the right action. So when you're in an empowered state of being, then you are actually more likely to take positive action toward your goals and dreams. When you are in a disempowered state, so you're sad or you're frustrated or you're angry or you're disappointed or you're feeling helpless and hopeless, those states of being feel bad, they feel uncomfortable because they're actually not in alignment with who you truly are. You are out of flow, you are out of alignment. And your ability to take action from that place is seriously diminished. Also, in those empowered states of being, you feel a level of confidence. And even when things don't go your way, you pick yourself up, you dust yourself off, you get back into an empowered state of being, you get back into the game, and you take more action. So let's look at how you can actually change your state of being super fast. Well, the first thing is that your physiology affects your psychology. So things like standing up tall, straight, and expanding. This kind of expansive state will actually impact your mental state, your emotional state, your state of being. Okay, now here's a really cool tip. So standing up straight and tall, head like lifted toward the ceiling, toward the heavens. You put your hands on your hips, feet shoulder width apart. This is called the Wonder Woman pose or the Superman pose or the superhero pose, whatever you want to call it. But you breathe deeply into this posture for a couple of minutes. Bam, it will change your state of being. Other ways to do it is dance. Dancing will elevate your state of being. Putting on really upbeat music that makes you feel good. Singing can actually elevate your state of being. And if you just do what you love. So if you have pets in the house, then cuddle a pet. That is a great way to elevate your frequency and vibration. If you love to cook, then cook or garden or fish or do whatever makes your heart sing. Also, laughter is a great way to shift your state of being. You know that you can shift your state of being on command, don't you? Just by doing any of these things. Also, walking in nature is very good for the soul. It's very good for your state of being. You could go and lie on the grass and connect with Mother Nature. You will elevate your state of being. And also exercise. So even really good doctors will prescribe exercise for somebody who is clinically depressed because it helps to release endorphins, and it is sustained exercise like the runner's high. That is actually a phenomena because sustained exercise, hard exercise for a period of more than 20 minutes releases masses of endorphins into the body, and that elevates your state of being. Achieving something, anything, will elevate your state of being. So acknowledge and recognize when you have achieved something, even if it's something small, because every single progress that you make is significant. So there are a multitude of ways that you can improve and master your state of being. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite way to elevate your frequency, your vibration, your state of being is. I'd love to read it in the comments. Now, if you need proof of how you can alter your state of being fast, then think about this. You're feeling really uplifted and high, you're in a good mood, and the phone rings and you pick the phone up and somebody you love dearly has just passed away. They're just telling you over the phone that this person has passed away. How quickly does your mood shift from happy to grief-stricken, sad? It's instant, isn't it? Now, if you are sad, depressed, stressed, and you get a phone call and somebody tells you that you've just won $10 million, how quickly does your state of being shift? Pretty damn fast, right? So if you master this ability to shift your state of being consciously by participating and doing things that shift your energy, frequency, and vibration, do you know, before I record these videos, I put on a really upbeat piece of music and I dance to get myself into a really positive, uplifted state of being, so that energy comes through my videos. Mastering this ability will absolutely change the game for you, because it will change how you show up, it will change the action you take, it will change the results that you get in future. So master your state of being. It's going to totally change your life. Now, if you have enjoyed this, then do me a favor, show me some love, like and subscribe, and comment below. Let me know how this landed for you. If you don't know who I am, then my name is Marguerita. I am the Woo Woo Warrior, and I've helped thousands of wealth and freedom seekers, conscious entrepreneurs, change makers just like you to clear their fears, doubts, blocks, and limiting beliefs so they could get on the fast track to achieving their goals and dreams. And if you would like help to make progress fast, then all you need to do is register for my free Wealth by Design workshop. I'll give you a framework. I'll walk you step by step through creating your strategic action plan that helps you to win and create wealth and success this year. Make this your year. And if you would like an EFT tapping video that's going to help you to master this and shift your frequency and vibration, then check out this EFT tapping video, which is all about choosing your state of being. You are going to love this. It's an absolute game changer. Check it out now.